Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Sheer Perfection, and today we're going to be showing you guys how to do a condensed fade. Now, there's many names to this. You got condensed fade, you got tight blend, weighted blend. All those things are essentially the same name, but for the purpose of this video, we're going to be calling it a condensed fade. Now, one of the main differences between the US haircuts and UK haircuts is the gradual blending of the fade. All right, so in the US, we do more of a gradual blend, more of a stretched blend. All right, in the UK, it's more of a condensed blend, compressed kind of blend. All right, guys, be sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment on any videos that you may want to see in the future, or if you are having trouble with an understanding or an idea, shoot me a DM, shoot me a message, and then we'll see if we can't curate our content around being able to help you guys out at home. All right, so we're gonna jump into this video, man. We're gonna be showing you guys how to do one of those condensed haircuts. All right. Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Sheer Perfection, and today we are here with another video. I got my guy Tyler right here, and today we are going to be showing you how to do a condensed fade. All right. One of the main differences between US fades and UK fades is how stretched or how tight that blend is, that fade is, all right? And so for today, my guy Tyler here, he rocks that condensed fade or tight fade. For the purpose of this video, we're gonna call it condensed or tight fade, all right? Condensed fade, I'm gonna show you what that condensed fade or tight fade is, all right? Like I was just saying in the introduction, the difference between the UK and the US fades are how gradual that blend is, all right? So I'm gonna go with my 2-guard with my Andis MV2s, and we are going to remove the bulk. Now, just like in some of my other videos, this is more of a graduation style. So if it's graduation, then that means that we are going away from the haircut. We are not following the shape of the head, all right? Like I said, I'm not going into the haircut, I'm beveling out, all right? So the graduation is gonna be at the very top. Now, with my Andis MV2s, I put on my 1-guard, my 1.5, or 1. Now I am blending in the bottom portion. I'm still following my same guideline. In this video, we are doing a drop fade. So a drop fade means that the fade will be dropping below the occipital bone in the back, all right? So it's not going straight around, okay? We're dropping the fade. So I'm going in with my 1 again, closed, following the shape, all right? Again, I'm not going into the haircut. I'm creating that graduated effect. And you can kind of see how it starts to give you that graduated look effect here on the sides, all right? So we're going from short to long, short to long. We're gonna make sure that we brush away all the excess hair on the sides so that we're able to see what we're doing. Next, we're gonna go with our Andis slim lines. We're gonna create our skin line. Now this is gonna be a very tight condensed fade. So what we're gonna do is basically where our skin line is, that's where our fade is gonna happen, all right? So here's our drop fade. So we're going again. So for me, I've been doing this a long time, so I can move pretty quickly, but remember, keep your reference points. You want to use reference points. So my reference point for this fade, starting where it's going to start out on the sides, it's meeting with the corner of the eyebrow, or the end of the eyebrow. All right, and then I just marry the 2 in the back, both sides, and this is the shape of our drop skin fade. Now, like I said, this is a super condensed fade. So we almost want to try and blend it right here. So this is more of an advanced haircut because you have to have that C-stroke down almost to a science. So I'm literally going about 1/4 inch up to blend. Now the clipper is closed and I'm just going through and I'm trying to blend right there on that skin line that I had made. Following the same shape. We want to be mindful on how much surface area we have for our fade. All right, we don't want to start taking away or eating at some of the stubble, because the stubble is what's going to give us our gradual blend into the fade or make that fade like buttery smooth. All right, here on the sideburns, we have a lot of surface area, so we can go with both bars. Around the ear, I'm gonna go with one. Remember, we're following that drop fade look. Now I have a lot more surface area here in the back, so I'm gonna use both bars. As I'm starting to get close to my condensed fade, it may look like I'm just going straight up and down, but I'm actually pulling away from the hair as I reach and get closer to the fade. So I'm just pulling away from the fade. I don't want to go up too high, because then I'll start taking away my transition area. And if you're not careful, a foil can really make or break your haircut. Trust me, I know. All right, so that was the last little bit of our surface area. Now I'm going to switch it around and use one bar to go around the ear. All right, I don't want to go up high, because if I go up high, I'm going to start eating away at some of the hair on the fade. Moving the ear out of the way, pushing it forward, pushing it back, that way I can still see my fade. Now we're back to the sideburn area. I can use both bars. There you go. All right, guys, and that is our condensed fade or tight fade. Boom. All right, appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions, be sure to DM or shoot those questions over my way. And what we'll do is we'll try to curate our content into helping you guys at home. All right, remember, this is Sheer Perfection, and we'll see you guys in the next video. I think Tyler might be the only one in Raleigh that can rock this one. He's got the swag, he's got the swag.